Hi, my name is Tristan and I'm the Delivery and Technology Specialist here at Classic Lexus. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use just basic navigation functions of a 2018 NX300, and I hope this video is able to help. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select this icon right here. And then you're going to select Search. And you're just going to type in the address on the keyboard. And the more you type, eventually it'll start guessing on the right side of the screen. And the closer you get, eventually your address will be over here. Once you see the correct address, you click on it, and the vehicle will get the directions. If you wanted to add that address to your address book, you just click this Save right here, and it'll be saved to your address book. Or you can just hit this Go, and it'll get the directions for you. From this point, you can start the navigation, or if you want to change the route you're going to take, select this 3 routes icon right here, and you can choose the quickest route, the shortest route, which is the shortest amount of miles, or the alternate route, which usually avoids freeways and highways and things like that. You can also edit the route that you're going to take if you wanted to shut off freeways, restricted roads, toll roads, seasonal roads, border crossings, ferries. We're just going to leave it all on. And then to start the navigation, you just click this OK right here.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
If you get to the point in your drive where you know where you're going and you don't need the navigation anymore, you select this little icon right over here and it'll just delete that destination for you. If you come back over here, you have Favorites, Destination Assist, which is a real-life call center that once you select this icon, someone will come over the speakers and ask where you would like to go. Then they will look up the address for you and send it to your vehicle. The only thing you have to do is hit Go. And below that you have Recents, which is all just your recent addresses you've used. Emergency, which lists the nearest fire stations, police stations, hospitals, and dealerships. And if you select this down arrow right here, you have Contacts, which is just all of the addresses that you have in your phone's contacts book. You have Addresses and Point of Interest, which has a categories of places you could go, or you can search the name of the place that you would like to go. Also, if you wanted to start the navigation to your home address, if you select this little house right here, it'll just start navigation to take you directly home. And the only thing you have to do on this one is hit OK too.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.